Hi, my name is Samar Shams. I'm an immigration law partner at Spencer West. I'm going to talk to you today about the Migration Advisory Committee's report on the possibility of a points-based system in the UK and its review of the salary thresholds for sponsored workers. The government commissioned the MAC to investigate and review both of these topics. So the MAC has concluded, in terms of the possibility of a points-based system in the UK, that the Tier 2 general system that we currently have in place, which does require a job offer and does not involve tradable points, should be maintained. The MAC said that if the UK wants to implement a points-based system, it could do so by changing the Tier 1 exceptional talent route. Now, those of you who have been following immigration developments very closely will know that the government yesterday announced that they are replacing the Tier 1 exceptional talent route with a global talent visa route. And so they're likely to take the MAC's recommendations on board when designing that new visa route. The MAC also said that if we are going to implement points-based visas, that we should draw more on the experience of other countries, and particularly they cite the expression of interest system that's used in other countries, for example in Canada. And the way that system works is that applicants submit their profiles to the government first, and then the government invites some of those who have submitted their profile to actually apply within a specified time frame. The MAC suggests that the rules relating to settlement in the UK also be reviewed. In terms of salary thresholds, the MAC suggests that the current structure of salary thresholds for sponsored skilled workers be maintained. So that means that the current structure of a role having to meet the higher of the general salary threshold that's relevant for its category and the specific threshold that applies to that role should be maintained. However, because the government proposes to lower the skills threshold for sponsored skilled workers from highly skilled roles to medium skilled roles and up, the MAC has said that the general category threshold should be reduced to reflect the lower average salaries that would be included in those roles eligible for sponsorship. The MAC looked into the possibility of regional salary thresholds and concluded that we should not implement a system of regional salary thresholds. They said that there might be exceptions for that in Northern Ireland and in very remote areas. So that is the MAC report in a nutshell. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, please do get in touch. My email address is samar, S-A-M-A-R, at spencer-west.com. There are going to be lots of changes over the coming weeks and months, so do let me know if you have questions. Thanks.